Our today's topic is opportunity cost. As we know that resources are scarce. Okay, the resources are scarce, or we can say limited. Resources are limited, and we always found to make. Because of this, we have to make what? We have to make choice. Always, है ना? Resources are limited, so we have to make choice between alternate commodities. We have alternate commodities, and always as we are having the choice to have one. Okay, and this it means that the amount of goods and services that must be sacrificed to obtain more of any one good. Suppose we are having one good this and one good that, है ना? These two goods are there. We have only, and we have resources means suppose we are having rupees 10 only. Either we can purchase this or this. So 10 rupees is what our resource. 10 rupees is our resource, and from this 10 rupees we can either purchase this good or this one good. So here what we are making the choice between these two goods, है ना? And the choice here, the sacrifice that we are having from this good to this good, we want more satisfaction from both the goods, and if we sacrifice to obtain more of any one good from other, it is called what? Opportunity cost. Suppose we are having 10 rupees, this one is of 8 rupees and this one is of 10 rupees. Here we are getting this is cost, this product is costing of rupees 8, means giving the satisfaction of 8, and this one is giving satisfaction of 10. But the resource that we are giving to both of them, means here also we are spending 10, here also we are spending them, but out of 10 we are having 8 satisfaction here, and here out of 10 we are getting 10 out of satisfaction. So means we will naturally choose this one. So the sacrifice between means 10 minus 8, 2. This is called the opportunity cost. From the same resources we are having the best choice, and that choice is known as opportunity cost. Means, so the amount of good and services that must be sacrificed to obtain more of any one good. Okay, so is called the opportunity cost of good. Either you can take one example, just one person is having a salary of rupees 10,000. He is having one more choice, another job is offered to him of 12,000 rupees. So he can now have the choice of moving to this. He is having an opportunity of what? 2,000. Okay. So this is known as the opportunity cost. From the same work he can get the more. So this one is the opportunity cost. As in the productions, one person is doing the production work, and suppose he is earning 1,000 from per unit and selling to one of the customer or one of the dealer. He is having the 1,000 rupees. Another if suppose he had a search in the market and now he is having 1,100 from the same for the same product. So what producer will do? He will go to this one. Naturally he will move to this one. Means from the same production unit, if he is selling the unit 1,000 units and he is getting 1,000, so he will see for the more 11,000. So 11,000 is what? Is 1,000 is 1,000 he is getting more, 100 he is getting more, and this 100 is the opportunity cost. Okay, 11,000 minus 1000. So additional that he is getting means the sacrifice that he is sacrificing to obtain more from any of the good, that is known as opportunity cost. Another example you can take that ki suppose we are having we are using certain amount of land, labor and capital to build a factory. What we are using? Land, labor and capital. This we are using to make a what? To make a factory. Okay. The economic opportunity cost of the factory might be the house which these resources could have produced. Means using this, the house that we will produce is the opportunity cost. Means the house that we have produced from these resources, है ना, that is our opportunity cost. The true cost of using economic resource in any given project is the loss of alternate output which they might have produced. So opportunity cost is the cost of next best alternative good. Okay, next best alternative good means कि the best opportunity that we are having between the two sources, कि the best we are choosing, that is called opportunity cost.